We're looking at a Aqua class sky suite on board the brand new luxurious Celebrity Ascent. You can see here we are forward on deck 10, and the map here tells you where you are on the ship. It also gives you your muster station for the safety drills. And Celebrity no longer puts the life vests in your room, they're down at the muster station. And they use the simple magnetic do not disturb sign. All right, I finally got it to stick. And we'll have a look here at the closet. So with the Aqua class sky suite, you get the better robes from Fret. You get the slippers included. You get a couple yoga mats here for use. Then we'll have a look here in the master bath. There's about a 3 or 4 inch step up here to go into the main bathroom. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And look at this, you have a sliding mirror where you can see straight through to the bedroom and out the window. And you'll get the nice C.O. Bigelow amenities, including lip balm, body lotions, soaps. And then we'll have a large step-in shower that's maybe up to my shin there, so maybe 12, 18 inches. And then a Roman tub here with the nice waterfall head there, the side heads for the body, and a rainfall head along with a removable piece. Then we'll have the vanity desk with a lighted mirror here and a single head behind the door. Here's the LED room control system for the temperature, the lighting, and the blinds. And then everyone gets their own router on Celebrity. And we'll have laundry, binoculars for use, a safe, and extra storage space. And they'll have a full full king bed here that does convert into 2 twins. We'll have recessed lighting up top. And there is a pull-out couch here for a 3rd person. If you're a family, maybe with a younger child. Here we'll have another vanity desk, the room service menu for the retreat, and that is your specialty dining venue on board for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can also eat in Blue, which is the Aqua class restaurant for breakfast or dinner. You do have Butler service in the retreat accommodations. That's the Butler phone. You can take that with you around the ship. We'll have a electronics port box here, complimentary Evian in the retreat. Of course, you get the free premium drink package and premium Wi-Fi with Starlink, all included now. And a mini bar in here. And then let's have a look outside. And why don't we do the blinds here like that? We're looking at 398 square feet in total here in this accommodation. And they do have child locks here for safety. And you have to have the door shut in order to have the AC on. We'll have a standard width balcony that does connect outside as well. And we got Celebrity Beyond here in port, and also Sail Yacht Koru, the new world's largest sail yacht owned by Jeff Bezos. 2 chairs and a table. You can have your butler bring breakfast out here every day if you like. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Aqua Sky Suite. It looks the same as the regular Sky Suite. It's just the difference in the amenities and the programs that you get from Celebrity. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video. Subscribe here to Affluent Journeys. That helps me a lot. Put your comments down below, and of course share it to your friends as well. I am a luxury cruise agent, so if you're interested in booking a cruise on Celebrity, perhaps you're in a sky suite on the brand new Ascent, I'd love to hear from you about it. And most of the time, I can improve on the offer that you will get by booking direct with the cruise line. Even if you've already booked that cruise through Celebrity's North American offices, not through another travel agent, and you're not paid in full, I might still be able to help out on it, and I'll be glad to do so. So serious inquiries, you may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website, affluentjourneys.com. Make sure to check out the full ship tour of the Ascent that I will have, and all the other big suites as well here on the Affluent Journeys YouTube channel. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.